Today I'm going to be making a really simple and fluffy buttercream icing for Valentine's Day. And here are the ingredients that we need. 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. This is also called powdered sugar or icing sugar. 1/4 cup of salted butter. 1/4 cup of vegetable shortening. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 tablespoon of milk. And some red food coloring. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. So this is a really simple recipe. We're going to take our butter and our vegetable shortening, get those into a bowl. I'll grab my mixer. And I just want to cream the butter and the shortening together. That's our first step. Okay, that's good. And then I'll get my little bit of vanilla in there. That's pure vanilla that I'm using. We'll mix that in. Okay, that's good. And now we'll mix in our powdered sugar. So I've got a sieve, and I'm just going to sift in about half of this. That's good. And we'll just shake that in. Shake, rattle, and roll. Right in there. Okay, that's good. And then we'll just start mixing this in. So I'm on speed number 1. I don't want to have a dust cloud. And I'm just going to slowly start incorporating this. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to add in our milk. So I'll grab my milk and get all of that in there. That's 1 tablespoon of milk, or 15 milliliters. Okay, that looks great. And now I'm going to add in a little bit of red food coloring. We still have our little bit of icing sugar to still add in. So I've got myself a little eyedropper here, and I have some red food coloring. And using the eyedropper just allows you to really be precise with what you're adding. So I'll just add a little bit like that. That looks good. And we'll just mix that in and see how it looks. That's a really nice pink. So now we're going to add in the rest of our powdered sugar, and then we can adjust the color if we need to. So I'll get all of this in. Perfect. We'll grab our mixer one last time, and we'll start mixing. So that looks really nice, but I do want to add just a little bit more food coloring. I'll grab my little eyedropper and a few more drops. And if you don't have liquid food coloring, you can also use gel. It works just as well. And we'll start mixing that in. So how much you actually add of food coloring, it really depends on you, what you like. And then you can increase your mixer and really get some air incorporated into your frosting. That will really whip it up. And I think that looks great, just like that. And look at that, how nice this looks. Really nice. Nice and fluffy. Beautiful stuff. And if you want to pipe this, you're going to want to just let this chill in your fridge, maybe about 10 minutes, re-whip it, and then it pipes really well. It will really hold its shape really well. So there we have it. Really simple buttercream icing for Valentine's Day. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.